guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here right now sa Okada and sumakses tayo. Alright, medyo nakaangat-angat tayo today. Salamat sa mga sponsor. Alright, okay. Sumakses tayo dahil nakuha na natin ang may jacuzzi! O, diba? Happy na ang lola mo. Alright, so let's do a quick room tour. Kararating lang talaga namin. Hindi pa kami napag-settle talaga na maayos. So, let's do this. Okay, let's go to the front door. Ayan, wala si Direk. Si Direk busy. Okay, coming from the door. Katabi niya ang closet. Okay, yan yung gamit namin. Okay, as usual, yan ang bathrobes. And then, may slippers doon sa ilalim. Yan. Then, ito, wala naman mga laman to. Okay, then next is the bar. Pero nakalakian. Pero, bawal galawin kasi, may bayad. Yan, as usual, ayun na kanilang coffee na masarap. There. Yan, kompleto naman dito. Alright, okay. Alright. Then, going out, paikot kasi yan. Dito. Yung another door. Then, ayan yung bed. We have twin beds. So, matagal ko nang tinatanong pag nanonood ako ng ibang video kung kasya ba 2 tao. Yes. Kasya ang 2 tao dito. Kasi wala na talagang king size bed. Ito na lang ang meron sila, twin. So, okay na. O, diba? Kasya talaga. Kasya 2 tao here. Now I know. O, diba? Then, ayan yung mirror. Then, nasa connecting room na naman tayo. Talagang favorite kami ilagay sa connecting room. Yan. So, yung gamit namin nakakalat. Then, yung TV. Then, yung mirror. So, chubby today. Yan. Wala pang tulog ang lola mo. Galing work. Okay. So, may phone dito. And the best part here is the jacuzzi! Diba? Sumakses tayo sa jacuzzi. And as usual, Roberto Cavalli ang kanilang mga toiletries. There. Yan. Mga brush, mouthwash, and the lotion. Then tissue, then water, then glass. And let's go to the shower area. Yung shower area nila. Diba? Yan. Rain, shower head, tapos handheld shower. Nakalimutan ko parang i-operate to. Yan. And then the toilet. It's already open eh. Okay. Yan na siya. Alright. Okay, then our view is the Manila Bay. Last time kasi ang view natin is the pool kasi nasa Coral Wing tayo. Now we are in the Pearl Wing. Oh, diba? There. Perfect. Ayun yung pool yun, nandun oh. Yun. Saan na yun? There. Dyan. Ayan. Parang cove to. Alam ko cove yan eh. Wala. Ang view natin mga villa. So, nasa kabila yung may fountain. Sayang. Alright. May nagtutur ata there. Yan. Alright. So, mamaya testingin natin to. Dahil matagal ko itong pinangarap. Ang matesting ang kanilang jacuzzi sa wakas. So, ito yung mga remote. Sayang wala kami dalang bath bomb. Para bula-bula talaga siya dyan. Alright. Okay, so there you have it for the quick room tour. So, pinag-iisipan pa namin kung mag-breakfast kasi gusto lang namin matulog. Us naman. Alright, okay, so there you have it. Once again, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. I'll see you. Bye. Ciao. Villas. Uy.